Here, Mom wants me to come down. I think she wants me to take some pictures or something.
What field gotta go down?
The old guy. Hello. What you laughing at? Me? Think my boots need to be taller. There's snow in them. Oh, I know, it's from dragging my feet and snow plowing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, my butt is wet.
Definitely got snow down the back of my boots.
Yeah, I know.
Steven, you coming down?
Catch me again.
Try to catch you again. Watch out.
Hey, you know, coming down one more time might stretch it out. Yeah.
Hey, look, you made a new path in the weeds.
Come on, Rachel. Come on.
When you get that close, dig your toes in. They'll work like brakes. Come on, Rach.
I don't think she has anything to come down on.
Maybe not. I don't know if Cody needs to come down again or not.
Come on, you pansy!
You know you're yelling right in the camera, right?
Yep.
Okay. As long as you're clear on that. We're good.
Your whiskers are glistening.
I think I got snow a little bit everywhere at the
Steven,
moment.
how did your face get so wet?
Use my feet to stop me.
That's what I tried doing. All I got was snow up the pants, and now it's down the back of the boots. So,
Now the hard part is getting up the hill.
come on, Rach.
Come on, Half Pint. Coward.
There's Cody.